Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I have a '07 Honda Accord. Person took it somewhere and they put a power steering pump on it, and it was making a noise and come back and it's still making the noise. So big thing here on the Hondas is the reservoir. So let's see if we can see down there. See that is a mesh screen. And what's happening is the mesh screen is not allowing the pump to get fluid on demand. It'll seem real aerated, so here, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna fill it and see how long it's just taking it to come out the bottom. And now it's coming out. So what's happening is the pump's emptying the bottom and not enough fluid is making it to the pump in time. These things are only $20 at the parts store, and they keep them in stock because this is an issue. So if you ever have pump making noise, you might want to change that with it, or you might want to just change that first. Pump might still be good, it just might be just getting starved with fluid and stuff. So check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.